Okay, so if you look at these threads closely, you'll see all this gunk and buildup from the thread locker or the Loctite that was on there. And so what you can do is find one of these tools, and the way that they work is you just put the bolt on the inside of them, and as you tighten this down, you're just putting those little teeth, or this little wheel here is going to be following the grooves as you turn this. And so you don't want it too tight to where you can't move it, so you want it to still be able to spin, but at the same time definitely lock into those grooves. And I'm gonna go ahead and run this with a impact here, and you'll see all of this come out probably. I don't know if yeah, you can see all those shreds of Loctite and thread locker. So you just want to go back and forth and clean up all those threads so that it threads properly back in. And you have nice clean threads.